I'm Roland from Ergoneers. I'm one of the founders and CEO of the company. Proud to be here at AHFE to introduce our company. So Ergoneers is a German-based company. We are based in the south of Germany, but we also have a subsidiary in Portland, Oregon, United States. And for the rest of the world, we have qualified partners, a huge partner network to cover more or less in each area of this globe proper support for our products and help our customers. We are in the field of behavioral research since almost 20 years, doing synchronized behavioral research with biometric sensors such as eye tracking, physiological measurements, EEG, also video observation, audio, and that's what we brought now to the latest state, and that's what I want to introduce today. So our latest product is Profia X, which is the latest standard in behavioral research, and will help to expand the spheres of behavioral research to a next level. Let me explain quickly how we want to do that.
Let's make a quick cut.
Let me quickly explain the core features we've defined to explain this great new product. Profia X is a platform to synchronize all different kinds of sensors, basically, and this is really a maximum of flexibility. So we call it multi-model, but it's even more, it's even multi-sensor. So Profia X provides APIs, SDKs, but we can also work with standard protocols such as TCP/IP, Lab Stream Layer, CAN bus for the automotive industry, ROS. So there is always a way to get data out of a sensor into our platform. For biometric sensors, we of course work together with big brands in the market. For eye tracking, for example, we cooperate with Tobii, and all their eye tracking devices are integrated in our platform. For motion, we have partners like Qualisys, Accents. For EEG, we have partners for other physiological sensors. So there's a huge list for plug-and-play integrations. One of the great things of this new platform is we are even multi-subject capable. So this new software allows you to do not just research on one single person. We can do group interactions and analyze multiple subjects in a specific environment. And we are not just able to get the sensors of the biometric data of people's behavior, we can also synchronize with technical equipment and get the situation completely captured of the surrounding. Good example, and what we did from the very beginning is that we work in simulators. So we could even get the data coming out of a, let's say, flight simulator or car simulator and get it synchronously stored to all the other data. This, of course, this maximum of flexibility creates a lot of data, and that's why we also did a lot in the analyzing process. So our goal with Profia X is to make the analysis process as fast and easy as possible, and this complex thing easy to understand. So Profia X provides a collaborative workflow. That means you can work with the entire research team on one recording. You can share the data, you can pick out specific things of the recording, analyze it, bring it back to the entire project and compare it with other results. And at the end, we also provide artificial intelligence driven modules to speed up the analyzing process and automate the analyzing process to the highest level. That means, let's say, for example, in terms of eye tracking, we can do object recognition and track static and moving objects in real time, basically, and match it with gaze data. So this really increases the maximum of flexibility and strips down dramatically the analyzing time, and at the end saves a lot of money, of course. Let me quickly move over here and just simply explain the structure of the software. even though it's a very complex topic, it's very easy to learn. And basically, the software comes with two applications. It's the data engine, and the data engine allows you to synchronously store multiple sensors, and we don't care what type of sensor it is. You can compare either a certain number of cameras, a certain number of eye trackers, but you can also combine them. So this is really complete flexible, and you can change that from one study to another. And then we provide analyzing modules to step deeper into the data and generate your insights. The structure is pretty easy. On the left-hand side, what you can see here is the project tree. So we provide the sensors or the participants. You can apply attributes and simply sort that however you want to organize and structure your study. By just double-clicking on one of these sensors, it immediately opens here in your workspace. And this can be, again, completely flexible, organized. You can even use multiple screens, and you can decide what you want to visualize during your study in real time or afterwards for post-processing. You can have like gaze movies, video movies, but you also can define charts and just by drag and drop visualize data which is streamed into the platform. Let's say pulse or any EEG data, for example. If you click on one of these windows, we have here the control center, and this is adaptive adjusted to this windows here. So if you click, for example, on one of these sensors, you have all the functionalities which comes with the, in this case, the Tobii glasses, and you can define everything here. You can define your areas of interest, you can visualize heat maps and do all the matrix calculations, which brings you then finally to your research results. And at the very end, you can create your ready to present report. So, complete streamlined process, which makes this complex thing with a lot of data very easy to use and to handle. If you have more questions and if this can help your research in the future, feel free to reach out. We are happy to get feedback and to talk more about what you're doing and how we can help to drive your research.